Hey guys, Mikhail here for your live electronic music tutorials. It's been a while, guys, that I haven't made an episode. I was away. I'm actually training for the Stockholm Marathon. Runner. Maybe some of you are runner, probably not, maybe some. And I was away, I had some stuff to settle. So now I'm back. I'm gonna make quite a bit of episode. You can see they're gonna come quite strong, quite hard. I'm really going forward to make music. I haven't made music, guys, for a month and a half. My head is gonna want to explode with ideas right now. So I start a bit slowly with a classic progressive house, kind of quickie. I'm gonna make a progressive house track, like a bass, some synth, a pad, and that's it. I'm gonna keep it short, keep it to the point, classic progressive house, guys. And of course, if you like this episode, check out the link below. There's always some templates for Logic Pro X, Ableton, and FL Studio for every episode that I make. So let's go straight into it. Started by laying out some percussions. I think this little hat there is a bit... what I want to do is probably add a delay onto it. Check this out. So the delay is not quite at that time. I'm going to remove the bit crusher first. I'm going to do probably like a 16 slap. So progressive house for me is a genre. Another bit of delay here on the clap. The genre that always include kind of a Moogie kind of bass, you know, which sound like this. If you didn't know, that is a Moog bass. It's very characteristic. If you know me too, guys, you know, most of the time I do my track in E. Why? Long story. My father, E here. So I'm gonna try to drop a really quick bass pattern. So something like this. Go straight into editing here and make this into a rolly kind of prog house kind of thing. That sounds okay. Not sure about this last bit here. It doesn't really work so much with the first bit over there. Okay. Obviously way too loud in the mix. And also, obviously the filter is way too open. A bit later I can play with the filter, but see, I like it, but this here somehow, I don't know if I can. It's like just the spacing of the notes, so it is great, but not ideal. I do like actually this kind of time changer. Simple, but quite effective, I would say. Not quite rolling enough. I think I would add another hit here. And another hit here too. And probably another one here. And if I extend that, I might get a bit of tremolo, I think. So now we have something a bit more energetic. Put a bit of delay in there already. First thing I would do, the clap is a bit intense there too. First thing I would do is to add a sidechain to this right away. Compressor, stereo. Go in there, take the instrument, the kick, sidechain with the kick. 4:1 ratio-ish, depends. Quick attack, quick release, remove the auto here. Let's not go too nuts. bass now is a bit too loud because I'm compressing it. Could also play with the mix here, have more of a neutral, and then introduce the sidechain, maybe not 100%. Not too sure about this delay here. If it's completely dry, it's a bit boring, so can widen it. Kind of nice. I mean, I personally like my bass in mono, but it's something you can do by having the hum in mono and then the rest of the effect in stereo, which work very well. You don't really need that much element if you want to make some good progressive house, if you want my personal opinion. Progressive house should be kept, well, I'm not gonna say minimal, because it's still progressive house and it still needs some element, but not too busy, not too much stuff. I think it's about the groove, not about the quantity. And all good music should be kept to have the least element to provoke the most emotions, let's say. I think we'll go into keys and try to get like some bells kind of hits. Not quite that. Let's route. Well, I do like the idea of that, however, only one hit. I think it would be nice here to do a variation. This variation will be just a whole octave higher, I think. Oh, I don't need this one here, so let's... Just something simple, nothing. Nice variations, always. Ooh, darker. I like this muffled, kind of undergroundy, a little bit more delay. Definitely being a groove. It's been a while, guys. I'm absolutely stoked, I have to say. Oh, and this little effect there. Very cool. I mean, like, guys, I'm, as you know, those are live. No cutting. Just making music with you guys in real time. Like, you'd be here in the studio, sharing the vibe. Now I think I'm gonna go straight into a pad. And for this, I wanted to take the basic, I think there's a recall defo here. This is the basic sound of Alchemy. There's some nice stuff in there, really. Not this is, I think this is, this is like a, this I like. I'll send it to my big room reverb here, FX, Silver Verb, Stereo. Just a big reverb, grandiose. Send this to that. Okay, I thought I went a bit long on the second one, but it's not the case. Here. Like I said, guys, this episode will be quick. Short and quick. Well, yeah, that's about right. Short and to the point. Well, this is quite interesting. What I like to do most with those episodes is create the ideas of the elements with you, and then really dig deep into them when I am on my own here in the studio and I mix the track. I do like that. This is smooth. I think the kick is not quite powerful enough. The only thing that I will do, one more thing that I will do with you guys today is Plucks. Oh, I made a mistake here, as I'm gonna take my sequence here and I will actually bring it here. I'm gonna take that. Not of this one. I'm gonna replicate this here. Take my sequence and not take the whole of the Plucks, but take some part so it will be a little bit in tune with the bass, but not all of it. So I'm gonna choose what I want to include in my sequence here. I think I just want to tack, pick, and this one on the beat now. This one here. So this will give accent. Of course, I'm gonna change the sound. You can already hear that I'm adding some accent to the track a lot with this. So if I open it, let's say, add some delay. I don't actually like this one very much. The same sound as the bass already, so we were not really changing very much. More vibe. Let's try to play it with. Is so cool. I think I'll even go a little bit higher. Surely didn't change very much at all. I think I'm gonna send this to another delay. I'm gonna use the delay of the drum machine here. Also send that to our verb. It's gonna get a bit crazy. I'm gonna comp the signal here of the reverb and open it for fun. So guys, this is it for episode 325. This is a short one. I told you guys I will come back with some more. I'm just getting back into the flow, so I thought I'm just gonna hit with something short, something good, and of course the templates are linked below. And until next time, guys, may the sounds be with you.